Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make spot trading using stop limit. If you're new to Binance, you're new to trading, I'll tell you the advantages of spot trading so that from now on, whatever confusion you must have had, you'll no longer be confused. You will now be able to make trades automatically even without being online. You can make trades and it will be carried out for you. So the first thing you need to do is go to your favorite browser and go to your Binance account. You have to log in first, and as soon as that is done, I want you to go into trade. Simple and easy to use interface, classic. Click on it, then allow it to open. You need to understand that although there are three different ways to make an order. There are three different ways to make an order. We have the limit, we have the market, we have the stop limit. I'm going to make a video on each of them, but today's video is about the stop limit. So the truth about the stop limit is it allows you to cut losses. Take for example, we are on this page that is currently trading Bitcoin. We're using USDT to buy Bitcoin, and let me reduce the time to 1 minute so that we see how the market is moving every minute. As you can see, few minutes ago it was going up, now it's going down. So if I wanted to make a trade now, in the last minute it went up by 0.18%. Okay, let's say we do not want it to come down below this price, 35,500. If we do not want it to come below this price, we can use the stop limit to cut our losses. If we bought it somewhere here and we want to cut our losses at this point so that we do not lose too much, you use the stop limit to do that. So if you were to use 100,000 and you are hoping that it continues to go up, but unfortunately instead of it to go up, it's coming down, stop limit will help you. As you can see right now, it is coming down, and as soon as it touches this line, if we had used stop limit, trade and order will be made and our trade will be activated. Our coins will be sold so that we can manage our losses. So that instead of losing all of the money, you only lose a certain percent, maybe 2, 3, or only 5% of your money. That is not bad alone at all. That is not bad compared to some people who lose large sum of money. So without wasting time, let me show you how to use the stop limit. So when you get to the stop limit, you have to click on the price you want the stop limits to be activated. As you can see, this is supposed to be the current price of Bitcoin at the moment. Let's say this is the current price and we are hoping it goes up than this. That's what we are hoping. So let's see the current price now. The current price is at, this is where you see the current price, 35,566. let's come here and type 35,566. So that is currently the current price, is at 35,000. So right now it is higher than the limits. You can also edit your limit to say if it gets to 35,000, you want the trading to stop. So this stop here means that when it gets to this amount, 35,560, an order should be placed and your order will be added to one of these lists. That means as soon as it gets to this number, you are telling the system, please get ready, because as soon as it reaches or it drops down to 35,000, please sell whatever cryptocurrency I have included here. So let's say you had 20, you want to sell 20, and you're saying, please, as soon as it reaches this place, place an order for me automatically. And as soon as the prices go up and it reaches the what you have set here as your stop, it will place an order for this price, that whenever it reaches this price, it will sell 20 automatically. So most people get confused and think that when they use the stop, that is where it actually stops. No, it doesn't stop. As soon as it reaches this stop, it's going to place an order, and as soon as conditions are met and it's reach this price, that is only when the order will be placed. And as soon as it reaches your limit, it will sell 20 Bitcoin. It will buy 20 Bitcoin at this price. So remember, this blue side is for buying, the red side is for selling. So the same way applies to selling. So if I wanted to sell my Bitcoin at 35,000, and right now the price is about 35,600. Let's say so that the price is about here. So as right now we are telling the system, please, as soon as it reaches 35,600, create an order for me so that I will be able to sell my Bitcoin, my 20 Bitcoin. You put the amount you want to sell, whether you have 1, 2, or 3. You tell the system, please, as soon as it reaches 35,600, please place an order for me so that you do not lose too much. So as soon as it reaches 35,600, it will place an order for 35,000. So if it keeps dropping to 35,000, it will sell it for you automatically so that you do not lose too much. But if it doesn't reach 35,000 and it keeps going up, you make more profit. I hope you get it now. If you didn't understand any part of this tutorial, ask me a direct question in the comment section, and I'm going to create a video just for you to answer that question. So I believe you get stop limits. So in future videos, I'll be making videos about the right way to make markets trade and also the limits trade. So that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, drop a like and also subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.